Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Google Pixel 9. For that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. Works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on, or with the pen you can edit the screenshot. One more time. The power button and the volume down button just for short together, and we're having a screenshot. If we tap now here on the pen to edit the screenshot, then we have the chance here maybe to crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if we want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And with the pen here, we can also draw something inside or highlight something and so on. After you can share this edited part here, or with save, you will send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, for me a bit more complicated, I think. For that, just open the recent open tabs here, by just swiping up here like this, and then you have the recent open apps here. And yeah, if you want to have a screenshot from one of them, just tap here on screenshot, like here the settings, and it is part as well of our photos. And apropos photos, where are our screenshots? Of course, here are the photos. And here at the photos area, you can't see them, but here at the connections, you can have it. You will have an own folder only here for your screenshots. There will be a screenshot app as well very soon. I can show you maybe at one of the next videos if you want. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.